How to fix TikTok lights not showing properly. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Play Store on a device. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar and type TikTok. Then tap on search. Then tap on TikTok and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating go back to the home screen. Open up settings on a device. Then scroll down and tap on apps. Now go to app management. Now find TikTok. Then tap on force stop. Go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Then tap on delete and restart TikTok. I hope this would fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.